There were three of us, and Aaron and I were the two who could read Yiddish. And Aaron was, thinking his thoughts about expansion in the future. It was my primary job to sort the books and to deal with book orders. And we did the first book catalog while I was there, which was hand done, to even create a catalog so that people could buy books. That concept, imagine doing that without a computer, And so everything we were doing then required a lot of labor because nothing was computerized. We had that, as I said, we had a very, very, very simple data base to be able to produce names, but not for handling the books yet. So a lot of what I did was to sort books, take these boxes of books. So when we would come back with a van full of books, there weren't other people to do the sorting. So I also did Aaron and I together, or would do the sorting. And then Aaron also understood the Yiddish Book Center. First it was called the National Yiddish Book Exchange at that time. The name was just beginning to change. We had to find space for warehousing at the elementary school, and Amherst became stuffed to the limit. And so Aaron found this massive warehouse in Holyoke, and that was a major project. I would add to Aaron's great skills is that while he's a very serious intellectual, he really also loves physical work. And he does not have he is not allergic to physical work, which a lot of people are, and a lot of people who are intellectuals are. Aaron is not. And he really can think through and physically engage in problems like setting up a warehouse. It wasn't like he said to somebody else, figure out how to do it. He himself would do it. I'm not good at that. I could do very small pieces if I'm told what to do. I enjoy it, but I'm not a handy person. I don't know, he is then. And so a lot of the physical things done to improve the physical space then, we didn't have money to hire people, was done by Aaron with me as a very weak assistant. Setting up shelves, thinking about how distance between the shelves, how to put the books on so that it wouldn't become a danger and collapse. There are a lot of different, and how to set up pallets, how to order pallets, all of that. We did everything. There was no other staff. So it was very exciting, and we created this warehouse in Holyoke for the first time, we had a really serious way to bring the books in, to store them, and then to sort them. So it was unlimited amount of time I could have spent sorting. There was just a mountain of books, and we just set up pallets, and I would sit there opening boxes and just throwing the books on the different pallets to separate them.